In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Wix website. If you're organizing prices, schedules, menus, or quick comparisons, a table is a clean, structured way to present information so your visitors can scan it at a glance. We'll do this directly in the Wix site editor, and it's a simple, reliable process. Start in the site editor view of your website. In the top left corner of the editor, you'll see the plus icon. This is the Add button, where all the building blocks of your site live: text, images, buttons, galleries, and more. Click that plus icon to open the panel so you can access the element you need. With the Add panel open, use the search bar at the top and type the word table. This narrows the results instantly so you don't have to browse through categories. When you see the table element appear, click and hold it, then drag it onto your page. As you move it, look for the alignment guides to help you position it neatly within your layout, keeping consistent margins and spacing with other elements. Release the mouse to drop it where you want it. That's all it takes to add a table to your site. Once the table is in place, you'll see it right on the canvas. You can move it by dragging, and you can resize it from the edges to make it wider or taller, depending on how much content you plan to show. For a clean look, keep the table inside the intended section's boundaries, so it inherits the spacing and background you already use. When you plan your content, keep column headers short and descriptive, and arrange information so similar items sit in the same column. Avoid cramming too much text into a single cell. Concise entries are easier to scan. If your site has a distinctive brand style, match the table's fonts and colors to your existing design. Subtle borders, clear header text, and gentle row shading can make the data easier to read without feeling cluttered. If the table looks too busy, consider fewer columns and more rows to improve clarity. Also, keep responsiveness in mind. Very wide tables can feel cramped on smaller screens, so aim for reasonable column widths and clear spacing. If the placement doesn't feel quite right, simply drag the table again until it snaps into a cleaner position using the guides. To recap, open the Add panel with the plus icon in the top left, search for Table, and drag and drop it onto your site. That's all you need to create a clean, organized table that helps visitors find information fast.